How to make simmered sardines with pickled plums, a classic Japanese sardine recipe. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. Okay, so in the last video, I shared with you about fish and how sardines, mackerel, and salmon are popular in Japan. And out of those three fish, I think sardine is the best. Yeah. So today I'll share with you one sardine recipe. It is called Iwashi no Umeni. Yeah. So ume basically is this ume, umeboshi. So using umeboshi in cooking sardines. Alright, so first of all, I will show you the ingredients. Okay, so to make this dish, you need soy sauce and mirin, and then 4 sardines, and then about 200 milliliter of water, and then some thinly sliced ginger, and then 2 umeboshi plums. So first you want to put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and mirin. Yeah. So put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce into the pan. Then 1 tablespoon of mirin into the pan. Then this 200 cc of water into the pan. Then turn the gas on. Then wait until it is boiled. Right, so when it came to boil, I put sardines. And I just turn the gas down a bit. Then I put sardine. Then I put ginger, and the plums, umeboshi. I put the kind of ginger evenly to put on all sardines. And then put one of those lid over the pan like that, and then with a low flame simmer it for about 20 minutes. Yeah. Then you want to make sure from time to time that the water is on the sardine. That's the whole point of simmering, is to kind of get the flavor, assimilate the flavor into the fish. Yeah. Right, so after about 20 minutes, yeah, you can take the lid off, and it looks like this. Yeah, and so you can take the fish out. And put it into a bowl. You can put the plums and ginger as well. And then of course you turn the gas off too, yeah? I forgot about it. And then the rest of the soup you can pour it over the fish. Then it becomes like this. Yeah? So that's Iwashi no Umeni. Simmered sardines with pickled plums. Yeah, this is a very good dish because, you know, the plums, the citric acid in the plum can kind of mitigate the fishy smell. Yeah, so it is a very good dish, right? And if you don't have umeboshi, then you can add some vinegar or like lemon or, you know, something like that. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comment. Have you had this dish before, or what other sardine dishes have you had? Yeah, thank you. Well, I will see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!